Good evening students, welcome to Swayam Shiksha. So this is a video which mainly focuses on what our strategy should be 60 days before prelims. So as we have discussed earlier that there cannot be a uniform strategy for everybody, but at the same time we need to have a formula in the last 60 days. So, and please remember that these 2 months is the most crucial part, because if you are able to strategize your preparation in these 60 days, things will become easy. That means you would have read for last 2 years or 3 years or maybe 1 year, but these last 60 days are something like the most important part in your preparation. So only if you can work on these 60 days very efficiently that we are going to clear the exam. Okay. So therefore, let's see what strategies we can follow here. And the most important aspect is 100% success rate is possible, provided you have read some basics till now. That means if your basics are fine, then definitely 100% success rate. What I mean by 100% success rate, we can be 100% confident that we can clear the prelims. Okay. So I have divided this video into two. So I'll not be discussing on something like what our mindset should be. This I have done earlier, and I'll just mention it at the end. But my main focus would be for a fresher who has done his basic and who's writing his first attempt, how his strategy should be. Number one. Number two, for a repeater who has already attempted twice or thrice, what would be a better strategy for him? So these are the two areas which I will be focusing today. Okay. So let's move forward. Coming to a fresher. So what I mean by a fresher is somebody who has read basic books and he is giving his first attempt this October. He is a fresher to me. Okay. So for him, what could be a better strategy? Okay. So every day you need to have short-term targets. So short-term targets is, first of all, no depression, okay, no tension. What is going to happen on October 10th? What is important is, on this day, am I able to do what I have fixed for myself as my target? So that would be the most important thing we should focus. And coming to a fresher, in these 2 months, in the first month, what a fresher should do. So remember, I'm not here, one is we have the current affairs component, another one is the static component. And after a lot of analysis of the previous year's questions, as well as question papers and the trends, more importance or more focus should be given to static portion. That means maximum time you have to spend on static part. So if your static component, if you are thorough, there is more probability of clearing the exam. And at the same time, you have to give adequate focus to current affairs. So how do we do that? So what I have done here is, for a fresher in the first 30 days of the first month, what you should be doing right now is spend 6 hours on preparing static every day. Spending 6 hours. You want to read Lakshmikant, you want to read Shankar, you want to read economy, Ram Sudhir sir's notes, or whatever it is. You are going to spend 6 hours on static part. You are going to spend around 2 hours in solving questions. Now, very important aspect is, many a times everybody is reading. So more than 4 lakh people are going to prepare, and everybody is going to study standard books. There's no point in putting standard books in front of us without practice. So every day, take a mock test. So there should be at least 2 hours of question solving which you're going to do from an institute of your choice. It is up to you. And one more suggestion which I can give you is, in the first month, you can go ahead with alternative strategy. What I mean by alternative strategy is, first day, 1 day, 2 hours, you are solving a subject related question paper. That means you are reading 6 hours static, you are reading economy, let's say. Okay, so you are also going to solve questions of economy. I am talking about something like, yes, a subject related question solving. Okay, then when you are reading current affairs also, it is better you read current affairs related to economy. Same applies to polity, geography, etc. So now when we are reading history, so current affairs you cannot read related to history, so obviously you will be reading separate current affairs. So this is something which you should be knowing. And at the same time, when you're solving questions, 2-day strategy, in the sense alternate day strategy means first day you will be doing a subject wise test. Then immediately the second day, subsequent day, I can focus on taking a general test. General test can be something like a mock test kind of thing. So without reading all the subjects, also you should be taking mock tests. That's very important. So general test. Then again you will be doing a subject test, then a general test. So this is something this is something which you should be doing in the first 30 days. And the most important aspect is 1 hour revision of questions which you have solved. So when we are solving questions, you have to look into the answers. Very important. Look into the answers and make short notes. Make short notes or synopsis. Very short synopsis. 100 questions, hardly in 3 pages, 2.5 pages, you would have made synopsis. Now this synopsis has to be revised for 1 hour. And in the 6 hours of static portion, let's say I've read environment or polity Lakshmikant. Now this Lakshmikant, some difficult areas also you should be revising. Very fast. Quick revision. Dhanadhan you should revise. So this is what you should be doing in the first month. Especially I'm talking about the fresher. Very important. Okay. Then going to the repeater. That is not the repeater. The second month for a fresher. So a second month, what should a fresher do? That is the last 30 days. The most crucial period for your preparation. It's the most crucial. Remember, see, though you would have started your battle 2 years back, but these 60 days, if you're losing your confidence, these 60 days, if you're losing your focus, these 60 days, if your family problems are disturbing you, we are out of the game. We have to become insensitive to many issues happening around us. I am using the word insensitive. We are not going to be disturbed with respect to whatever is going around us unless and until it is going to harm us very badly. Remember this. This is compulsorily needed. I can say you need to become insensitive to many things that are happening around you. Okay, fine. So going ahead with the strategy for a fresher, the last 30 days. So I've changed it a little. So earlier we did 6 hours of static. So what we are doing here is we are doing 4 hours of static syllabus. That means you're reading some book. You divide it, 2 hours you read, let's say Shankar book, 2 hours you are reading Lakshmikant or something of your choice based on your convenience. But remember, all the subjects have to be covered. All the subjects have to be covered. I'm not specifying, 1 week you read this subject, another week you read this subject. That's not going to happen because there will be a lot of stress, and reading the same subject for 1 week also creates problem. But only change which I made was in the last 30 days, instead of 6 hours of static, I'll be focusing on 4 hours of static syllabus I'll be reading. Instead of 2 hours of solving questions, I've increased it to 4 hours of solving. Now you may think, freshers, sir, 4 hours of solving questions. Remember, this is the most crucial aspect. This is the most crucial aspect. Remember, the most crucial aspect is this 4 hours of solving questions and 2 hours of revision. I've added this. I've increased this 2 hours here. Okay, earlier it was 1 hour revision. I made it 2 hours. So if you observe, all my day's schedule is a 11-hour schedule. 11-hour schedule for 60 days. I know it is tiring. And I also know it is needed for a fresher. It is needed, please. Okay, so these 60 days, remember, you need to put in at least 10 hours of effort. I have taken 11 hours here because for revision and all. So 4 hours static you push and 4 hours of solving questions. First 30 days it was 2 hours. Now it is 4 hours of solving question. Then I've put current affairs. I've reduced 1 hour of current affairs reading last 30 days because the yield is less. Whichever current affairs you load, ultimately we never know what is going to come. So don't tax your brain much. So 2 hours of current affair revision, I've reduced it to 1 hour. Now when you're putting in 4 hours of effort with respect to solving questions and making short notes, which is very, very important. So when you're making this short notes has to be revised in this 2 hours revision. In this 2 hours revision, this short notes has to be revised. So in this 2 hours, the short notes has to be revised, and 4 hours static, whatever you are reading, okay, in that you may have some doubts. So you may feel, okay, some area has to be revised. So that area also has to be revised. So please remember, now after a lot of effort, in the sense, lot of, analysis. So this first month, this would be our strategy. Okay, this would be our strategy. And in the second month, for a fresher, this is our strategy. Very important. Okay. Now going to a repeater. I'm not taking much of your time. Going to a repeater. So repeater is somebody who has attempted some 2 to 3 attempts, solid attempts. Whether he has cleared prelims or he has lost it by my 2-3 marks, whatever the case is. Now what a fresher is doing in the last 30 days, that is what you are going to do the next 30 days. That is the first 30 days. In the first month, a repeater is going to do what a fresher was doing the last 30 days. So that means 4 hours of static reading, 4 hours of static reading, 4 hours of solving questions, 4 hours of solving questions, rigorous solving of questions, same, and 1 hour of current affairs, Dhanadhan revision you will do, but that solving questions will cover your current affairs also. There's no point in putting 12 months current affairs in front of you and wasting your time. Very important. And then 2 hours of revision, very crucial, because in this 4 hour solving question, you are going to make some synopsis from the mock explanations, and that has to be revised. Very, very important. And 4 hours of static. 4 hours static, something we want to check, again that has to be revised. Yes, repeaters. So this is one aspect. So for the repeaters, what you have to do last 30 days is this, very important. So last 30 days, repeaters, I have put a rigorous question solving aspect here, which you observe. I said 2 hours of static preparation. That means reading element is very, very limited for you. You have already written 3 attempts, 4 attempts, sufficient revisions. Lakshmikant 10 times already you would have studied. Okay, put all your energies into 6 hours of solving questions. That's a rigorous, stressful exercise, I can understand. 6 hours you are spending on solving questions and making notes out of it. Now that notes has to be revised in this 2 hours. Now in this 2 hours, there's 6 hours of questions which you have studied, and there may be some things which you don't know, which you made, made into a synopsis. This has to be revised in this 2 hours now. So this is a very, very, very important aspect. Okay, so sir, why 6 hours? Remember, how much ever you read, ultimately it's a game of confidence. You would have lost confidence last year. Okay, and that confidence has to be regained. Very important. And question solving makes you remember facts, elimination techniques will improve, and it will keep you away from depression and overthinking. Very, very important. Overthinking. You overthink, this time also I will lose. So, is baar bhi khatam, khel khatam. No, this kind of negative thinking should not come to your mind, means more of solving questions should be there. A repeater will have more negativity because he has lost the battle earlier. And therefore, that negative mind will not allow you to study last 30 days unless and until it is question solving. And that is the reason 6 hours of solving questions, no time only. Then you'll make synopsis, means almost 7 hours of effort, then 2 hours of revision. Finish. There's no scope for thinking and not going to think. So what if I fail should not come to your mind only. What if I fail? What if I pass? All that. So we are not worried what is going to happen on October 10th. We are only going to focus on what we are going to do today. So that kind of maturity, without expecting what is going to happen on October 10th. Now, depression, frustration, all this should not come to you. It is only about focusing on this solving, reading, revision. Solving, reading, revision. Finish. And you should be away from a lot of distress and negativity. In the sense something wrong is happening at home, be away from home. Unless and until, your role is very crucial there. Otherwise, stay away, be insensitive to whatever is causing you pain, distress, distraction and depression. That is my ultimate suggestion to you. And I'm not taking much of your time, but at the same time, mental stability and maturity is what is going to push you in. It's not how much you read. So that stability and maturity and the number of times you revise. Revising mock, revising static, and last 2 months, how cool you are. So I know it's again very difficult to stay cool. So staying cool is not thinking much. Not thinking much means being engaged in solving. So that's ultimate thing which you can do. So this is my suggestion for you. Last 60 days for freshers and repeaters, expecting you all to focus on your preparation for the next 60 days and be like a warrior. I think more like an Arjuna who's fighting a war without expecting result. Okay, so I thank you all and I hope this video is going to help you. And of course, elimination techniques, already I've made videos 2017, 18 question papers, and these techniques of elimination is definitely going to help you. Okay, so please, you can watch those elimination technique videos, and I'm also going to come up with few more elimination techniques, which are short videos. Whenever you feel, okay, you have time, you can watch those videos. Okay, so so that's it. I'll end here. So I expect you all to prepare without stress. All the best. Thank you.